This station is called Create Your Own Constellation, and the way it works is very easy. You need paper, chalk, and some washers. And basically what you do is you just have somebody grab some washers. Somewhere between like 3 and 8 is probably a good number. I have too many here. And then they're going to take, and this probably needs to be bigger black paper. So for this demonstration, I'm going to put 2 next to each other. You just take your washers in your hand and hold them up and then drop them. And if they overlap, pick some up and drop them again. And then there's one more overlap. There. So my washers are now spread out on my black paper. And what you do is you take a piece of chalk and you just trace a dot in the center of each of the washers. And then you're going to put the washers away. So we'll put those off to the side. And so here are the dots that I have created on my paper. Now this is where your imagination comes in. You have to create something out of these dots, which is where the person that's helping out sometimes needs to guide, especially if they're younger people, needs to guide you. So let's see, I'm going to go here, here, here. And the cool thing about this is it's random, so nobody really knows what they're going to do until they actually do it. Let's see. And so turning this one sideways, I have a kite. So I can name this constellation whatever I want. And that's kind of, I hear some of the people out here saying, that looks like a, it's kind of left up to your imagination. That's what a lot of the constellations are, is they're left up to your imagination. So you can even talk to people about how constellations were created as a form of entertainment. Back before the days we had TV and telephone and videos and things like that. People sat out at night and they told stories and they needed main characters for their stories. So the main characters were the characters in the sky at night, which they looked at the sky and connected the dots with their eyes to make the main characters for their stories. And those are constellations. So this one we're going to call the kite, and then you can even take this home and create your own story that goes with the kite. And you can name it whatever you want because it's your constellation. So here is Make Your Own Constellation.